Okay, you can say hi, Grandma.
Hi, Grandma.
What are you doing?
Sunny, his eyes are. Where's the shades?
There you go, now you're cool. Where's Mommy? Yeah, who's with Mommy? Jeff and Mommy? Who? Who's your favorite uncle?
It's Mom.
Angie. We're gonna have to work on that. Your Christmas gift isn't gonna be very good this year. Where's Sydney at, Ryan?
Come on, Sydney, block it. I mean, score it. I forgot.
Yeah, they switched ends.
Yeah. That's it. Go, Sydney. Where you going, Bob? You gotta sit here and cheer for Sydney. Come on, Sydney! Score a goal! There she is. She's gonna get it. Come on, Tropicals!
Hey! Wouldn't pass, eh?
No. She's really good.
Alright, do you want to say goodbye, Ray?
Say bye, Grandma.
Wave.
Wave at the phone. Wave at the apple.
Apple.
Yeah,
Apple.